when a wild seal is running for its life from a killer whale. It will literally jump onto a human boat because it knows humans are safe. Seals are incredibly smart and deeply emotional creatures. If they see you diving, they will swim down to check on you, thinking you might be drowning. Once they trust you, they become the puppies of the sea. They will hug your legs, beg for belly rubs, and even fall asleep right next to you. In the dangerous wild, they barely sleep due to polar bears. But around humans they trust. They finally feel safe enough to close their eyes. Would you dive with these adorable sea puppies?